let's talk about a couple policy issues. You saw a senator recently, I won't say her name, but you saw a senator give a speech last night about Donald Trump. And she likes to style herself as a kind of warrior against Wall Street. But here's what's strange about that. Elizabeth Warren voted for Wall Street's open borders immigration bill to drive down the wages of everyone in this room. And then she's throwing her weight behind Hillary Clinton, who is the official candidate of Wall Street.